we want to find x in this exponential equation. So before solving exponential equations, you have to make sure the base here is the same as the base here. And if you're able to make the bases the same in both sides of the equal to sign, then you can equate the exponent. So this is 3 to the power x squared minus 1. This is 9 to the power 4. We can express 9 here to 3 power something, okay? And we know 3 power 2 is 9, okay? So therefore, we can replace this with this. So this is going to be 3 to the power x squared minus 1 equal to 3 to the power 2. It's already raised to the power 4. So this will be 3 to the power x squared minus 1 equal to 3 to the power 2 times 4 gives you 8. So now that the bases are the same, we can now equate the exponent. So equating the exponent, we are going to have x squared minus 1 equal to 8. Now we have to add 1 to both sides of the equation. So this is going to be x squared equal to 9. Then to find x squared, you have to find the square roots of both sides. To mean x equal to plus or minus 3. So x is either equal to 3 or negative 3.